Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you today from Daytona, Florida, where I want to show you an awesome 2003 450 Sea Ray Express Bridge. These express bridges just have some of the coolest features ever for Sea Ray to put in a boat. First thing to note of option on this boat is you do have a hydraulic lift. The owner has beautiful ski on there. That is not going to convey with the boat, but the lift is great. Huge cockpit. These boats have been known to win fishing tournaments, believe it or not. Good storage in the cockpit. Remote for your stereo. Storage. You have doors on both sides and steps on both sides, so it doesn't matter whether you tie up port or starboard, you're good. That's a removable bench seat that has storage in it. A huge storage area here. Can also be used as a fish box. And then a nice area for a drain that can be plumbed as a live well. A lot of people use it for a cooler. This was one of the first Sea Rays to get stairs up to the flybridge, and the only one with stairs down to the front. Engine room access is here. This boat is being sold by a very knowledgeable owner of diesels. Very well cared for in the engine room. Notice LED lights out here replacing the old incandescents. This is the 2 stateroom version, and I'm sorry for the mess. Please look at the still pictures. We're in the middle of getting things done here today. Awesome salon, seating all around, storage under both sides. That flat panel lifts up and there's storage behind the television. Your main panels are here. They're not down at floor level, they're at eye level, which is nice. Very easy to use and understand. Big galley with a 3-burner stove, an upright refrigerator freezer that's been replaced that is AC and DC. A lot of sellers replace them with the cheap AC only refrigerators. Really cool. All this bar area and storage is all backlit. Looks awesome at night. Those curtains are new last year. I see no signs of leaks or drips around any of the windows. Nice hardwood floor here in the galley. Let's move on forward. Oh, battery switches are off. All right, stand by. We're going to go hit some battery switches. Let's see here. Batteries are on. We need forward and aft lighting. All right, look at the difference a light switch makes. One thing I will say, they did beautiful soft goods, all which will convey with the boat. This is your master forward. His and hers hanging lockers. Another thing of note, all this vitricore, all the woods in this boat. No peeling, no delam anywhere that I can see. You do have satellite TV. There is a tuner that's slave to that. How you doing? It's warm because it's January in Florida. This is your master head, private access. Fiberglass stall shower with a plexi door. There's an opening port light for ventilation. Full fiberglass liner, nice dark countertops. There is a bow thruster that I'm over top of. Your VIP guest stateroom. Big double bed, that's all storage underneath. There's spare props that come with the boat. All the manuals are with this boat. Swan's head door handles. Your guest bath can be accessed privately from the second stateroom or from the hallway. This entire floor lifts up in here mechanically. I'll have a separate video of that. Down there, the boat came with that combo washer dryer, which doesn't do the best. There is now a beautiful deep freeze down there for long voyages. Up to the main helm deck area. You do have a centerline helm on this boat. Good bench seat for napping. Companion seat to starboard, nice table. It's been a lot of updates. You've got the new SmartCraft vessel view on this boat. Did not come with that in 03, obviously. You still have working color radar RL80. And the old Sea Ray Navigator has been replaced with a Garmin 5212 GPS. And of course, autopilot, bow thruster, remote control for your stereo, spotlight. This canvas is about a year old up here on the top. Some of the windows are a little older, but everything's good. Nice bar area at the front of the helm. Great social boat. Now for the most unique feature, the express bridge, the walk-through bow. Fantastic for getting people forward and aft, not having them have to walk around the gunnels. These sun pads are only a year old. They were made with the new quick dry foam, but they are kept inside so they don't even really get wet. You'll see the big footwell here. Windlass, bow pulpit. I like these big footwells. Very safe to have little kids up here on this seat. They're not going to roll over the deck. That concludes our tour of this Sea Ray 450 Express Bridge. Call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax for this or all your used Sea Ray needs. 954-684-1375. Thanks.